After your 3 breaths, begin to release, roll it up. We're gonna come to lie down. If you have some props, let's make sure they're nice and close here. If not, no worries, I got you. Let's come to our backs. Hug the knees into the chest when you get there. Give yourself a nice big hug. Drape the belly over the tops of the thighs and melt your heart forward. Seated forward fold variation. Find what feels good here. 3 breaths, folding inward. Revealing anything to you. It could be physically, emotionally, spiritually. Just notice. What is the breath trying to reveal to you? Listen to the sound of your breath. And I'd like to start to invite you, as you listen to the sound of your breath, to just notice if it is